introduction part first. So in introduction we have to learn three main things, that is mean, then mode and median. Now mean means, in other words, we call it as average. Median we call as middle value, and mode means most repeated value. Now let us take some example and understand the same. So now first let us do mean. So for mean we are taking some of the examples. First example I am taking as a simple one. Find mean of 10, 12 and 14. Suppose three numbers are given and I am asked to find the mean. Now here mean will be, to find mean the formula is of average, that is sum of all the numbers divided by number of observations. So 10 plus 12 plus 14. So three numbers are there, so with 3 I will divide. So 36 by 3. So my mean will be 12. Now let us learn mean using a simple sum. That type of sums are asked. Now x will be given and f will be given. So here at the bottom I will be doing total. So this f I have to do total. So that is called summation fi. Summation fi means all the total of f. So this is coming as 200, and then we have to multiply fi xi. That means whatever value of f and whatever value of x we will be multiplying. So 40 into 20, so 800. Then 60 into 40, so that will be 2400. Then 60 into 30, so 1800. 80 into 50, so that will be 4000. And 100 into 20, so that will be 2000. Now we will be adding them also, which we call as sigma fi xi, that is summation of fi xi. So this is coming as 11,000. So now direct method says, direct method, the easiest method where values will be bigger but the calculation will be shortest. Mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So that will be 11,000 upon 200. So 0 cut, so 55 will be my answer. So my mean came as 55. Now taking another example of group data. Group data means I will be given a class interval. Suppose 0 to 10 it is say 27, and then 10 to 20 it is 10, 20 to 30 it is 7, 5, 4 and 2. So if I add them all, so summation of fi will be 55. Now xi I have to find, but see, direct method the formula was mean x bar equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. But I don't have xi now, so xi is nothing but midpoint of the class interval. So to find that I have to do like this: 0 plus 10, that is lower limit and upper limit I will add and divide by 2. So 10 by 2, so that will be 5. So I will write here 5. Then 10 plus 20 upon 2, so 30 by 2, so that will be 15. Now same way I can write 25, 35, 45, 55. Now fi xi if I do, I will get fi is 27 into 5, so 195, then 10 into 15, so I will get 150, 7 into 25, so I get 175, 5 into 35, so 175, 45 into 4, that will be 180, and 55 twos are will be 110. So this sum, that is sigma fi xi, summation will be coming as 925. So my mean x bar will be summation of fi xi upon summation fi. So that will come as 925 by 55. So that is 16.8. Now the second method to find assumed mean is assumed mean. So here also I am taking the same example, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And the values also I am taking same, 27, 10, 7, 5, 4, 2. So naturally I will have the total also same as sigma fi will be equal to 55. Now again xi, the same method I will add, and I will bring it to the central value. So I am taking that also as it is. Now here, if you see the next step, 1 point is added, that is a. So here let me take this as assume mean. Assume mean means if I have to count like 3 and 3, 6 numbers are there, so the central value I can take. So either I can take the third value or I can take the fourth value, and it doesn't matter if I take fourth or third, answer will be same. Now here I have taken 35 as central value. So now it says di equal to xi minus a. So xi is 5 minus 35 is a. So that will be minus 30. Then 15 minus 35, so minus 20. Then 25 minus 35, so that is minus 10. 35 minus 35, so that will be 0. 45 minus 35, that is 10. And 55 minus 35, so that will be 20. Now the last column is fi di. So now I have to multiply di with fi. So here I will multiply 27 into minus 30. So that I am getting as minus 810. Same way, minus 20 into 10. So I will get minus 200. Then the third one is minus 10 into 7. So minus 70. Then 0 into 5. So 0. Then 4 into 10. So 40. And 20 into 2. So 40. So if I do summation fi di, so I will get minus 1000, because here plus and minus both numbers are there, so I have to solve them. Now assume mean formula is assume mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. So here we have taken 35 as assume mean and plus minus 1000 upon 55. See, again I am repeating, it doesn't matter if you take the third value or fourth value. If you have taken a bigger number, so automatically the answer will come minus and the final answer will be same. So this is coming as 35 minus 5 11s are 5 200s are. So I have to divide 200 by 11. So I will get 18.18. So if I subtract that from 35, I will get 16.818. So see, by the second method, that is assume mean, also the answer has came the same. Now, the next method to find mean is step deviation method. Here also till di we will need the same. Now, see, after di, once I got di, after that the formula written is ui equal to di upon h or xi minus a upon h. H is the difference between the interval, class interval. So 10 minus 0 will be 10. So here this will be minus 30 by 10, that is minus 3, minus 20 by 10, that is minus 2, minus 10 by 10, so that will be minus 1, 0 by 10, so that will be 0, 10 by 10, that will be 1, and 20 by 10, so that will be 2. Now I have to do fi ui. So fi 27 into minus 3, if I do, I will get minus 81. Same way 10 into minus, see, 20 minus 20 upon 10 was minus 2. So here I will get minus 20, and then 7 into minus 1, so that will be minus 7, then 0 into 5, so that will be 0, 1 into 4, so that will be 4, 2 into 2, so that also will be 4. So now sigma fiui will be equal to minus 100. See here, this method will be the easiest. You have to do more calculation, but at the end your answer will be very short. So it makes your answer smaller and easier to calculate. Now, the step deviation mean formula is mean x bar equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So here a was my 35 plus minus 100 upon 55 into h. H was 10. So this will be 35 minus, no, this will be again minus 100 upon 55 into 10. So that will come as 18.181. So again if I subtract 35 from 35, this, see, 35 minus 18.181, if I do, I will get 16.818. So by all the three ways, I will get the same answer. Now next is median. So I am taking first a simplest sum, that is find median of 180, 140, 160, 120, 100. So first of all, always write that in ascending order. So if I write it in ascending order, so 100, 120, 140, 160 and 180. Now the central value I have to select. So 140 is my median. But this type of sum won't be asked to you in the exam, but to explain you what is median, I have shown you one simple example. Now let us have one example to show median. Now class interval f. So this will be two things will be given to you, 0, 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25. Now f. So 4, 3, 6, 5 and 2. So if I add it, sigma fi, which is here called as n. So n will be equal to 20. Now the formula says, see, first let me write the formula so that you understand how you will find median. Median equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. Now see, here L I don't know. So L is the lower limit of median class. Then n is total observation divide by 2. So that will be n by 2. Then CF is cumulative frequency. LH is difference in class intervals. So here now let us understand first CF. CF, how you will find? You will write CF. Now the first value you will write 0 to 5, it is given as 4. So 4. Now in the next step I will do 4 plus 3. That means the next observation I will be adding into that. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 7 plus 6, so that will be 13. Now 13 plus 5, so that will be 18. And 18 plus 2, 20. Now be careful, the last value of the CF should come as n. So that means my calculation is right. Now you have to check CF. CF I need to find CF, you have to take what is the n by 2 value. So n by 2 is 20 by 2. I will get 10. So now see, near to 10 there are two values, but always the bigger one will be the median class. So this is my median class. So now I will get all the values from here. See, now my L will be the lower limit of the median class. So median class is 10 to 15. So 10 will be my L. H will be 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10. So that will be 5. Now CF. CF will be one value above than median class. So this will be my CF. So 7 is my CF. And F will be the frequency of the median class. So that will be 6. And n by 2 will be 20 by 2. So that will be 10. So that already we have done. Now if I find the using formula, if I find the median equal to L. So see, L is 10 plus n by 2. So n by 2 means 20 by 2 minus CF. CF is 7 upon F. So 6 into 5. So if I solve this, 10 plus 10 minus 7 will be 3. 3 by 6 into 5. So 1s are 2s are. So this will be 10 plus 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means it will be 2.5. So my median will be 12.5. Now next and the last topic of the introduction is mode. Mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower frequency of model class, F1 will be frequency of model class, that means maximum frequency. F0 will be frequency above model class, F2 will be frequency below model class, H will be difference in model class. So now let us take one example and understand mode. So see, class interval and F will be given to me here. So 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. And the values given to me are 4, 8, 6, 7 and 5. So see how I will find the model class. I will select the maximum value. So maximum value is 8. So this will be my model class. So maximum value class will be model class. Now F1 was the frequency of model class. So 8 is F1, 6 will be F2 and 4 will be F0. Now L will be the lower limit. So L equal to 20, f1 equal to 8, f0 equal to 4, f2 equal to 6, and h will be 40 minus 20, so that is 20. So now let me use the formula mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So L is here 20 plus f1 is 8 minus 4 upon 2 into 8 minus 4 minus 6 into 20. So now this will, if I solve this, 8 minus 4 will be 4 upon 16 minus 10 into 20. So this will come as 20 plus 4 upon 6 into 20. So if I cut 4, 2 2s are and 2 3s are, so this become 20 plus 40 by 3. So if I divide 40 by 3, so I will get 13.33. So my mode will be 33.33. Oh sorry, 38.33. Now also remember one more formula. Also remember, when mode, mean and median all three are asked, we can use the formula 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. That means even if suppose I know mean and mode, I can put the value in this and I can find the median.